everyone, and welcome to the series premiere of Destroying Math. In this new show, I will be wrecking word problems because, why not? Okay, let's see what we have here. A gallon of milk costs 0.82 cents in 1960. In 2015, it cost 0.033 cents, more than 4 times the cost in 1960. How much did a gallon of milk cost in 2015? Alright, first of all, let's edit this. Let's edit this milk jug. It's so wrong. There. Perfect. Oh, let's draw a little cow on it, too. I don't know what cows look like, so I'm just gonna do this in black and white, right? Alright. Oh, now we need first we need to sign a name because my teacher always said we have to put our name on the paper first, so... Understand the problem. Yeah, right. What do you know? What do you need to find? Explain. First of all, since I'm a Breath of the Wild player, I need to find 100 or 1,000,000 rupees. That's what I need to find. But my answer for number 2, I have no idea what it is, so let's just say, since prices are crazy today, or in 2015, but today would be like $50. Alright. A secretary earns 10.75. That's a not very good paycheck. That's like $10 each hour. He works 8 hours each day. So full-time, 5 days each week. Huh? How much money does he earn in 1 week? 50. Just 50. Alright. That's my answer. Understand the problem. Then make a plan. How will you solve? Explain. You download 8 songs. 8 songs? That must take up like all your storage. So you for $1.29 each and 1 song for 0.99 cents. How much do you pay for all of the songs? Billie Eilish isn't worth anything, but Ariana Grande or Ava Max, well, maybe not Ariana Grande. I wouldn't buy 8 songs from Billie Eilish. Definitely not. So, depends on... Yep. Your friend buys a snack for $2.75 and a book that costs 5 times as much as the snack. Must be like Harry Potter or the Bible. That costs $3.50 less than the book. Oh, wait, what? Oh, a poster. But doesn't the poster come inside the book? Like in one of the Dork Diaries, there's a poster inside the book. How much does the poster cost? I don't think they even sell posters anymore, so. Alright. A pair of shoes costs $35. That's too much for a shoe. Newton has a coupon to pay. Oh, nice, Newton. Coupons. Coupons are definitely the way to go. Of the price. Descartes. Let's just call him Jimmy. Has a $10 off coupon. Who will pay more for the shoes? Jimmy. Duh. I can't write Jimmy. Alright. Good. Because, it's more money. So you would only pay like $25, which is still a bit too much for shoes. But whatever. He must really like his shoes. 2 friends eat at a restaurant for $34. That's an expensive restaurant. They calculate the tip by multiplying 34 by 18 cents. How much do they pay for the meal, including the tip? Well, who's paying? Because there's 2 of them. 7? Right? I have no idea. So, and then the next, it's double-sided. So, Think and Grow, modeling real life. A traveler gives a cashier $100 to exchange for European euros. So he's in Europe. That much service fee is deducted from the amount given. First of all, what does deducted mean? How many European euros does the traveler receive? What do you know? What do you need to find? How will you solve? Hey, can you help me here, please? Because, what are you even pointing to? Your nose? Your mouth? The symbol for your... Oh, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, dog. Literally everybody knows that by now. So the traveler receives $1,000,100. There, simple, right? Okay. Wait, that was just an example? Dang it. Show and grow. I can think deeper. Of course you can. Use the table above. Where's the table? Oh, that? $1. Yeah, but that's a lot of numbers. So what are we doing? You need a $50 Canadian dollars. Oh, 50 Canadian dollars. You give a cashier $50 to exchange for Canadian dollars. Wait, did that say for... Oh, okay, no, it didn't. A $9.50 service fee is deducted from the amount given. Do you have enough Canadian dollars? What are we deducted from? Huh? Okay, you really need to help me out here. Please. I'll give you 1,000,000 euros. You're no help. Do you have enough Canadian dollars? No! I don't even have a Canadian dollar. In the example, the traveler decides to exchange the same number of US dollars for British pounds without calculating. Oh, without calculating. All right, let me just grab my calculator. What are we calculating even, though? From British, without calculating. All right, what's 3 plus 6? Oh, dang it, it's not even on. So what is 9 plus 7? 82. Okay, then our answer is 82. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for all your support. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more destroying math. Next episode is this weekend. Okay, thank you. Bye.